Cut an oval shaped cardboard. I am using this paste of glue and water to stick these pieces of papers. This is my pre-designed page which I am tracing on my cardboard using my blue carbon or trace paper. You can easily get this carbon paper at any good stationery shop. By the way, reference link to buy this is given in the description box. You can check it out there too. These are the pieces. I cutted it out of sunboard in fence shape, sticking it with permanent Fevikwik glue. These are my bird houses, again cutted from sunboard. Making some texture on it like it is made of wood. Using this foam board since last video, but I was familiar to it long ago. Stick it using any permanent glue, make all branches and complete all the clay work and let it dry. Apply a layer of gesso to make our base stronger. Spread it using sponge dauber or brush, and now let's paint it. Dark brown for branches and bird houses. Gesso tutorial is on the way. Don't forget to check it out next week only on Enhance Creations YouTube channel. Mixing white and dark brown to color fence. You can even use beach to color it. Using this a nice flowy background that is blue plus white. Turquoise to highlight bird house. Flesh tone to highlight fence. Putting gesso somewhere to form snow. So that was it for today's video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Do not forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also follow us on Moj and Instagram. Link is in description box. And see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.